before coming to Vision Language Academy, I wrote 2 times. Writing, I got 60 marks. So I was very disappointed. And my colleague Akila Chandrahasa, she joined the Vision Language Academy and she cleared in 4 weeks. So that gave me encouragement. So I came to know that you will be getting all the tips and tricks and we'll have the good environment to study everything. That boosted me and motivated me. So I joined Vision. So that's how the journey started. I got all that.
So how many questions did you get same in the exam?
From predictions, actually the essay it's from the prediction. Right from dictation, it's from the prediction. Summarized spoken test, exactly. Actually, I did the same summarized spoken text before the exam. I got the same actually. So I got out of 4 in summarized spoken text. Even in the fill in the blanks as well. Actually, I was bit worried in reading section because of the prediction. It was very useful for me actually. Yeah.
And we did it before 7th, huh?
Yeah.
What a relief and what a beautiful score you have got. Perfect 9 each.
Yeah. Actually, before coming Vision Language Academy, I wrote 2 times. One in the last January. I got speaking 90, but writing I got 60 marks. So I was very disappointed. So because I went with one of the template which was given by one of my friends, but I didn't know that I need to write the keywords, proper keywords. So in that way, I was preparing my own and I got writing 60. All other ones was pretty good, like 70, 75. And I got disappointed last year and I didn't attempt another attempt last year. Only one attempt I gave in last January. And that's it. I left it. And this year, January, again I started with the new year. And then I attempted in March. Even that was very bad. Last time I got speaking 90, but this time the speaking got 64. I didn't even get the 7 marks. And then I was very disappointed as well. I was not studying for one month. And my colleague Akila Chandrahasa, she joined the Vision Language Academy and she cleared in 4 weeks. So that gave me encouragement. So I came to know that you will be getting all the tips and tricks and we'll have the good environment to study everything. That boosted me and motivated me. So I joined Vision. So that's how the journey started. I got all that. So it's correct.
And this time got 89 in writing from 60.
Yeah. Actually, the tips and tricks which I got from the strategies that helped me a lot because earlier attempts, I was not sure where I was doing wrong because I will get the skills profile and exactly which sections where I am doing wrong, I will not be able to get it. After joining Vision and all the strategies, whatever I'm getting on the tips. So each and every week, I used to write the one mock test and Ashi ma'am or you yourself will be validating the mock test and will be providing all the feedback. Each section I'm doing wrong, mistakes, everything. And I'll be getting a weekly plan, which section I have to majorly focus on. I was following that without any, without missing anything. So let's say last attempt I got listening, I was very bad with right from dictation. So that will be the motive for this week. So that will be the plan for this week as well. So that plan helped me a lot. So I would like to mention one thing. Yeah, without getting feedback on a daily basis, I will not be leaving the room actually. So Ashi ma'am or Chetna ma'am or Sagam ma'am, whoever it is, if I'm standing and I'm starting to leave, so they'll come definitely and they'll check whether I have done the tasks whatever they have given me plan, and then they'll give the feedback immediately. And if I'm doing, and also whenever I go for a class, they will check the yesterday's plan and they will see where I have done more mistakes, and they will be giving the new plan for today's as well based on the previous one. So that's how actually I was very lagging in reading and listening. And you don't believe, before attempting this one, so for the last 4 weeks I was only doing reading and listening.
Because you were mainly lacking in those 2 modules only.
Yeah.
And it would have been really stupid to put you onto a different plan.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
I remember that when you gave the first attempt, you were lacking in reading and listening and you were asked to do other things. And I said, what's the point of it? Right?
Yeah.
And that's where the experts' advice come handy. Right?
Yes, yeah, that's right.
Because at the end of the day, you need to know where to focus, how to save time, where to put the more effort so that you can work on your mistakes and get the scores quicker and faster. Right?
Right.
And I think one thing you mentioned that was also very important, that nobody used to let you go. Right?
Yeah, definitely.
Until and unless you have not got everything checked, then that is the most important thing. And that's what we are proud of as an institute, that we really ensure that students things are checked, they are improved, or they are improving right by the end of every single day, and that's why we get such good scores. But amazing work. All the strategies are changing, but you have scored it before 7th of August. This is such a good news, and with such good remarks, such good scores. So 9 each, very well done.
Yeah, thank you, sir.